Hey, what's up, XRP holders? So this is the latest news of XRP, my brother. If you can see here, the news is gonna be very good because if you can see my favorite two cryptocurrencies, XRP and Dogecoin, is finally starting moving upward, and also my favorite channel link is also starting moving upward. So this is very good news, especially for me and for everyone who is a holder, who's holder of XRP, Dogecoin, my brothers. Kindly, this is enjoying time. So let's see the latest update. So what's the latest news of XRP? Let's get started this video. But kindly, before I get started this video, I request you to kindly, for this type of news, kindly you just subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and select the all option for videos notification. Thank you so much. Alright, so if you can see here, the XRP big jump. The last 1 hour chart is going to be negative, but definitely, my friend, this will be negative because after a big jump every cryptocurrency fails down. So this is the latest update. You can see here minus 0.67%, and last 1 hour they fails down. So let's see, my brother. This time you can see here the price is 1.53 USD dollar, and the price is lost, my friend, very fastly. You can see here this time. So let's see the last 24 hours to what's going on in the last 24 hours. Let's see, my brother. Kindly subscribe this video, our channel, and like this video. Yes, exactly, my friend. From last 24-hour average is going to be very good. So don't see the last 1 hour chart and enjoy the last 24-hour chart. Plus 8.52%, they starting moving upward, and what a big percentage they can change now occur. 8.52% change now. So the price come to 1.55 USD dollar, but the current price, if you can see here, again fails down from last 1 hour. So this mean to the price is very fastly decreased now from last 1 hour. But don't see this short fail. I hope, my friends, after a short jump, after a short fails, my friends, they take a gain jump, and I hope in upcoming times they're moving upwards. So kindly, holders, don't sell it, hold it and wait. And remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, to hold it, don't sell it. Thanks for watching, XRP holder. Hope you enjoyed this latest update. Thank you so much for this new. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification.